Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced today that the centre would provide vaccines free of charge to all above 18 years of age from June 21 and would take back control of vaccination from states in a do-over of rules that were enforced about a month ago. The centre is taking back total control of vaccination now. It will take over the 25% doses assigned to states, and this will be implemented in the next 2 weeks. From June 21, the centre will provide free vaccines to states. PM Modi announced in an address to the nation in which he parried criticism of his government's vaccine policy. The centre will buy 75% of the vaccines produced by companies, including 25% assigned to the states. Up to 80 crore poor Indians will receive free rations till Diwali, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced today. This will be a part of extended Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. The government is with the poor during this pandemic. Over 80 crore of our population will get ration till November. Nobody should sleep hungry, PM Modi said during a national address. It was in October 2020 that Prime Minister Modi first announced that India had been providing free ration worth about 1.5 lakh crore rupees to about 80 crore poor amid the COVID-19 pandemic. The Prime Minister today strongly defended his government's vaccination policy and announced that the centre would take back control of vaccination from states and provide free vaccines to all over the next 2 weeks. Fugitive diamantaire Mehul Choksi, who is a key accused in the 13,000 crore rupees PNB loan fraud case in India, on Monday said that he was brutally thrashed by some men who claimed to be from Antiguan police on May 23rd. The 62-year-old businessman is currently facing a court case in Dominica for illegally entering into the island country from Antigua, where he had been living as a citizen since 2018. In his complaint to Antiguan police, he claimed some 8 to 10 men who claimed to be from Antiguan police beat me mercilessly. I was barely conscious. They took my phone, watch and wallet. They told me that they did not want to rob me and return my money. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray will be meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Delhi on Tuesday. Likely discussions include Maratha reservation, COVID relief package, GST returns for the state, among other issues. The Chief Minister's office had officially sought timing from PMO a few days back. Thackeray will be meeting Prime Minister Modi at 11 am. Modi had spoken to Maharashtra Chief Minister last month on the cyclone Taukte situation in the state. He had also reviewed the preparedness to deal with the cyclone fallout in a high-level meeting which was attended by several ministries and agencies concerned. Jeff Bezos has announced that he will be flying to space next month. The billionaire founder of Blue Origin and his brother will be two of the passengers on his company's first suborbital sightseeing trip on its spacecraft New Shepard. The rocket company is targeting July 20 for its first sightseeing trip to space. The trip will last a total of 10 minutes, including the 4 minutes that passengers will spend above the Kármán line, reports AFP. The Kármán line marks the recognized boundary between Earth's atmosphere and space. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.